Okay, so here a tutorial for solving the 3 by 3 with the beginner method. So this tutorial will be separated in 4 parts: the cross, the F12, the edge permutation, and solving the rest of the cube. So the first thing to do with you need to solve the cross. So basically the cross should look like this at the end. So every edge solved, but because the way I did it, it's relatively hard for beginner. There is another way. So first you need to put all the edges, the white edges, on the yellow, so the opposite. And after this, you just take an edge, for example, this one. You put it with the corner, with the center, and you put it down. And you can do it with everything. So this one, and this one. Okay, so one more time. So this will be an example. So here I can do here, 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 and I have all of the edges, and I can go down this one, and this one. So after solving the cross, we will need to solve all the F12. So F12 is the corner and the edge that are matching, but we will do it in separate steps because it's easier. So we will begin with this corner. So there is 3 different orientation for the corner. So for the first one, it's where the white is pointing to the right and you are with the center. So you do this, this, and this. And this is how you can put it. So the second way is when it's to the left. So you go here and you can do this, this, and this. And the last way, it's when it's like this. So here you can do this. You put it near the center. So it's here to here, here to here. And you do this 2 times and like this. And just the last 2 ways. 1 second. So it's when it's down. So if it's down to the left, to the right, sorry, you do this, this, and you have the classic way. And the same thing, but from the left side. If you go to the left, you do this and this. Okay, so we can do it for all the bottom layer. So here I would go like this. This one I would come here, and this one I would go here. So this one, boom. This one I can just go by the back, and this one here. So now we need to solve the edge. So for the edge, we have 2 options. Okay. So first you need to see what's the color. So there is 2 ways to insert an edge with the corner. So the first I will show you is the easier way. So we have both cases. So here we will take the red, green. It needs to go here. So if it's here, you need to see where the edge from which is pointing towards you. You need to put it near the center. So when it's to the center, you do this. Take this corner out like this. Do a rotation and solve it like this. Okay, and so it's the same thing but from the left here. So here doesn't match, here it match, So you go to the opposite way and you do this and you do this. Okay, so the other method is just a little bit more complicated, but it can be faster. So you go, so you found an edge, for example this one, and if it doesn't match, you go straight to the opposite and you do this. So now you have the pair. You need to put this back in like this, and same thing from here. So here this edge doesn't match, so you can put it back here and do this like this. So here, for example, I would go like this because it's just easier. And here we have two more. So this one, you can put it back there and you can do this. And this one, you can solve it like this and like this. So this is it for the cross plus F12.